Let's start with a really important question about your retirement.
I'm not talking about your total savings number. I mean your actual spendable monthly income. You see, most people actually haven't done this math, and it can reveal a pretty uncomfortable truth.
That truth is called the income gap. For a lot of people, it's thousands of dollars a month, which raises a pretty serious question. If you were short on cash, where would that money come from? Yeah, these are tough choices, but two main things usually cause this gap in the first place. Let's talk about the first hidden danger that can seriously shrink your retirement paycheck: market loss. You might think, okay, I just need a 50% gain to get back to even, but that's not how the math works. It actually takes a 100% gain just to get back to where you started. That's a huge climb. All right, on to hidden danger number 2, taxes. Most of us have 401ks, right? But what does that mean? Well, let's take a quick look at history to see what the trend has been over the last century. As you can see, super high tax rates have actually been pretty common, often way over 50%. So you combine that market risk with uncertain future taxes, and your income gets real unpredictable. But what if you could tackle both of those risks? Let's check out a strategy designed to do just that. See, a lot of people are missing this key piece of the puzzle, something called the indexed strategy. The whole point is to have assets that can safely grow, but are protected from those market drops. This strategy is specifically built to fight those two big dangers we just talked about. So let's see how this stacks up against a more traditional retirement account, side by side. Just think about the peace of mind that could bring. Of course, everyone's situation is different. So the first step is always to figure out your unique risks and any potential income gaps. Because once you know where you stand, you can actually start building a plan to fix it.